Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover Chamfer tool. So Chamfer tool is very similar with the fillet tool, but let me show you how it works. I have an example body and we can apply some chamfers on it. So what we need to do is we can go into the features and then into the ribbon section, into the tool of fillet. There is a down menu here. We can click on that and then we can go into the chamfer. Okay, in the feature manager of chamfers, you can see there are 5 different types of chamfer. The first one is angle distance, the second one is distance, and the third one is vertex. And there are 2 fancy options. The first one is offset face, and then second one is face to face chamfers. So let's start with the angle distance chamfer. So in the angle distance chamfer, first thing we need to do is we need to select the edge where we want to apply the chamfer. So I'm gonna select this. Because we are in angle distance chamfer, so we need to select 2 things. The first one is angle and the second one is distance, as you can see here. So we need to choose angles. You can just increase or decrease the angle by moving these arrows, or you can just manually type your angle. So I'm gonna type 60 and then I can increase the distance. Okay, so let's increase it till 70, and look, it's on the one side because it's 70. So but still we have another option. We can flip the directions, so we can flip it, and then I need to click the green check mark. So in this way we can add our chamfer. As you can see, angle distance chamfer. Okay, let's delete it. Yes, and then let's see the second type. So we are going to go back again into the chamfers, and then we can select the distance to distance chamfer. So what we can do is, like, there is no angle involved, so we can just select this edge, and in this way just distance to distance we can apply our chamfer. So there is a thing, like, what we can do is this can be a symmetric or we can change to asymmetric. So in this way we can increase one side, like I would say 1.2 inches, another side 0.3 inches, and or if you want to change, still you can decrease any side and then you can increase the another side. It's up to you. So in this way we can apply the pretty straightforward chamfer. So if you don't like it, you can just go and delete it.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
Okay, so let's go into the third option, which is vertex. So what we can do is we can just select it and then we can go to any corner. Suppose I would say let's select this vertex, and it's gonna apply a chamfer on this vertex. So again we can increase X, Y or Z, whatever the direction. You can have a equal for the both sides, or you can have a deep on one side and small on other sides. It's up to you. And then you just need to click the green check mark. So in this way we can just make a chamfer here, and look, this vertex is not edgy anymore. Okay, let's go and let's see the next chamfer. So this is the next one is offset face. So what we can do is we can just select this one, and then again you have option for asymmetric or symmetric. So I'm just gonna select this edge, I would say, and then I would select the symmetric for the both sides, and then in this one you can select the faces as well. So I'm gonna select this face and this face. So in this way we can apply this chamfer to the all face simultaneously. So in this way, as you can see, all edges are gonna be chamfered just by clicking this green check mark. So we already added all the chamfers to all these edges. Okay, let's delete this one. Let's delete this one as well, and let's see the last option. So we can go into the chamfers, and that last one was face to face chamfer. So what we can do is, for the face-to-face chamfer we need to have at least two faces. So the first face which I would like to select is this one, and for the second one you can select this face, or if you want to select the multiple faces you can just select, and then you can just apply chamfers. Okay, so in this way you can apply chamfers on multiple faces. So as the fillet and chamfers are very similar to each other, so there is a recommendation from my side. So I would say, like, if you are gonna send your part for the machine lab, for the CNC or any other machine, so you need to use the chamfers, because in the machine lab there are a couple of tools so which can just design your part according to chamfer values, like 45 or 60 or 30, whatever the angle which you want to use in your chamfer. But the thing is, like, if you want to go for casting, if you are designing for casting, and so in that kind of situation I would recommend you should use the fillet, because that could be really helpful for you.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.